Hey folks, Steve here with synthrotek. I know that the COVID-19 virus has affected many of us in very different ways. And we here at synthrotek want to be able to offer some help during this time. So we're going to be offering 10% off all our kits this weekend. And we're planning on staying open throughout this pandemic as long as we can, hopefully. We do have employees here that we want to keep employed, so any of your purchases will help. Also, check out other companies like Noise Engineering and other kit makers and things like that throughout this time. Places like Thonk, Modular Addict, other places that can kind of give you something to do. It's a great time to work on a new kit for your system or spend some time with the family. So like I said, we're going to be staying open as long as they're delivering packages. We're holed away out here in semi-rural Idaho, and so we're hoping that that'll give us an extra boost to be able to fight this thing and still keep in business. So thanks so much for your all the orders we've gotten thus far. You guys have always been fantastic to us. So God bless you. Stay safe and stay calm and solder, as some have been saying.